Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Nakul from Techboy, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the new MI Band 4. So let's get started. Okay, people, so let's open this. I'm honestly really excited about this band because I've used all three bands in the past: MI Band 1, 2, and 3. I'm currently using MI Band 3, as you can see. So, really excited about this. And here we have it, nothing else. So here we go. MI Band 4, MI Smart Band 4, AMOLED color touchscreen, heart rate monitor, water of 250 music control, innovation for everyone, India's #1 wearable brand. So it kind of looks like MI Band 3 only, just it has the AMOLED screen, and obviously we can have any watch face we want. So on the left we have MI Smart Band 4 written, at the bottom we have the seal, and at the right we have some information. You can pause the video if you want to read it. On the top, nothing at all except another seal, and at the back we have again some information. You can read all this by pausing the video. Anyway, so let's open this. Let me just cut it. Okay, so here it is. Now there's one thing different because obviously I have unboxed all the three bands in the past. They all came in a small box, like a box for a watch, but this one came in a bigger box, almost double the size. They used to come in a square box. But I was hoping for a better presentation, just like a watch is there in a watch box, but it was just laying like this. Anyways, okay, so here's the band. Let's see what else do we have. So we have some documentation as well. Okay, so it's a MI Smart Band 4 user manual. So here it is. If you wanna read any of it. And obviously there's something at the back as well. So the documentation, and then we have the charge cable, obviously, I think. Yep. And the charge cable has changed. Okay, it's a pretty thin cable if you compare it with the previous charge cables, but here we have it. And as I said that the band used to come in a square watch like box, and this could also fit over here. As you can see, the documentation can obviously be inside or underneath the band, and the charge cable can also fit inside this area, as you can see. So the whole band could fit in this box. So they made this huge box for no reason. I don't know why. This whole package could have been fit in this area. So not really impressed with the unboxing experience. But anyways, let's open the band, which is the main attraction. And here we have it. So let me put all this stuff aside and then we'll turn it on. Okay guys, so here we have it. And pair first, it says. So let me try and pair it with my phone. I'm already paired with my Band 3, so let's see how can I add device, band. Okay, so it says after you pair this device, the following info will be collected and okay, sure. Couldn't connect to the network. Okay, so I'm in the airplane mode, so let me turn on the Wi-Fi. So let's try again. Nope. Okay, here we go. So it says searching, keep the band close to your phone. Okay, so okay, paired successfully. So we have only 17% battery, as you can see. And here we go, it says activate new device. If you have paired multiple bands, watch it. Only one device would be able to record data and receive notification. Yeah, that would be band 4. So before activating previously paired MI band 3 will be stopped, continue anyway. Yep. Okay. Activated device successfully. MI band 4. Okay. Restoring band settings. Settings for previous device will be restored after you replace the device. Okay. And now I think it's trying to load something. Maybe a web page. And here we go. The band will be locked when it's removed from your wrist. Oh, that's good. Multiple sports. Don't like it. Next one. Use the band to control the music you have playing on your phone. Try now. Okay, so it's updating. So the first impression of the band, the screen looks really amazing, guys. As you can see, it's from here to here. But yeah, the display looks really good. And the device in overall looks more premium, more sturdy. The band is the same like MI band 3, but the beacon itself, the main device, which is this one, it looks more sturdy, more premium than before. So that's my first impression, but obviously I will use it for some days and will give you a proper honest review about this band. I also have MI band 1, 2, and obviously I'm wearing the 3, and now I will use it 4. So I will also compare all of the 4 bands and will tell you if it is worth upgrading if you are using MI band 2 or 3. So is it worth upgrading or not? So you have to wait a few days, maybe 4 or 5 days to wait for my full honest review. So it's still saying updating resources, keep the band close to your phone. Okay. So let's skip the video when it's updated. Okay, so quick update. It said update complete, and then again it said updating again, connect to MI Fit app, and now it's updating the firmware again. So I think there were 2 updates pending. So it's updating again, as you can see. So let's wait for this to update again. Okay guys, so the update has been completed. As you can see, it says connecting, syncing data, and it's complete. So 16% battery life, band display settings. Wow. So these are all the watch faces we have. That's really nice. So which one should I choose for now? Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, so here we go. It's really nice, guys. So we can basically choose any watch face. So let's see, we have status, okay, calories, idle alert, and all that. Then we have heart rate, charge now, it says. Okay, oops. So heart rate, workout, and here we go, outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, pool swimming. Oh, okay, so it activates. No, I don't want that. Okay, how do I stop it? Okay, press and hold. Stop. Okay. And no, God. So the touchscreen is really sensitive. Even if you touch it to scroll, sometimes it thinks that I have just tapped on the screen. Okay, so what is it doing? Okay, so here we go. Now I have my Smart Band 4 and my Band 3. Okay, so it says MI Fit open mi fit and turn on GPS on your phone. Okay, let's go back. Weather, notifications, more. Let's see more. Okay, do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display, settings. So let's go in settings. We have brightness, that's very nice. So we have 3 levels of brightness: lock screen, reboot, factory reset, regulatory, about. Okay, so if you go in the band display, so these are the ones. We have 3 which are the default, and the 4th one which I set from my phone. And then we have all these options. In notification we have the battery is lower than 15%. Okay, so we have only one, and clear all. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Rest, obviously I will give you a full honest review about this band and how it performs, the battery and everything. So if you have any questions regarding this band, any queries that you want me to cover in the honest review video, so put those in the comments down below, or you can put them on my Facebook page or Instagram as well. The links will be in the description. So that's pretty much it for right now, guys. This was the unboxing video of the new Mi Smart Band 4, and if you like my content, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It would be much appreciated, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Take care.